Hey everyone, if your smart TV has picture but no sound, yeah, that can be super frustrating. The good news is, this is usually easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective solutions step by step. Let's dive in. First, make sure the TV isn't muted and the volume is actually turned up. I know it sounds obvious, yo, but this fixes the issue more often than you'd expect. Press the mute button once, then raise the volume to test the sound. Next, give your TV a proper restart. Yeah? Not just standby mode. Turn the TV off, unplug it from the power outlet, and wait about 1 minute. Plug it back in and turn it on. This clears temporary audio glitches. All right, if there's still no sound, check the audio output settings. Sometimes the TV is sending sound to the wrong device. Go to Settings, then Sound, and make sure the output is set to TV speakers. Unless you're using a soundbar or external speakers. If you're using a soundbar, HDMI device, or external speakers, check the cables carefully. Loose or faulty cables can cause no audio. Try unplugging and reconnecting the cables, or switch to another HDMI port to test. Okay, another common fix is updating your TV software. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause sound problems. Open Settings, go to System or Software Update, and install any available update. Then restart the TV. Now, try playing sound from a different app or channel. This helps you figure out if the issue is system-wide or just one app acting up. If sound works elsewhere, the original app may just need an update or reinstall. And finally, if nothing worked, reset your TV's sound settings to default. This often clears hidden misconfigurations. Go to Sound Settings and choose Reset Sound, then test the audio again. And that's pretty much it. One of these fixes should restore sound on your smart TV. If this helped you, feel free to like the video. And yeah, subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.